Say hello to the world of network optimization. In this short demo of our latest innovation, I'm going to tell you all about GFI's Exinda AI and its AI Advisor feature. Welcome to the Exinda AI dashboard. Today we're going to look at the AI Advisor feature by going to the Monitor drop-down and choosing Real-Time. The information is gathered, then the detail appears. We're going to go to the AI Advisor and add an organization description for our business. In this case, small company focusing on marketing and video production, with frequent uploads of media content to cloud storage. This gives the AI Advisor context to make recommendations about our business. Once done, we click on the Request AI Advisor Report button. The AI Advisor then evaluates and creates bespoke recommendations for improving the network for your business. This is delivered in the form of a prioritized list, which gives you a description of the requirement, the expected impact, and a clickable action button. The description gives you a view of the requirement, the action you can take, and the expected result in clear language. Let's look at priority number 2 on the list, reducing the bandwidth allocation of YouTube to prioritize more important tasks. As we mouse over the action button, we click it to limit non-essential video streams. This takes us to the AI wizard, where the request has already been populated with our requirement ready for us to review. In this case, we're going to take it from 5% down to 3% to make sure we're really conserving bandwidth. When we click Request, the AI wizard creates the commands that need to be run in order to apply the change. Simply click Apply to execute the change. That's just one of the features of GFI Exinda AI, which can speed up and support your workflow when managing networks. For more information or for a full demo and pricing, contact your local GFI reseller.